Hey guys, I'm still new as a content creator. I hope you will like this video and subscribe.
How you guys doing? Let's open this booster box up. Hopefully we can score some EXs. Pikachu. Not bad. Give me those Pikachus. So first, I think 30 bucks. Put this one aside. Alright. 30 bucks. 5 cards per pack. And first we got a hollow. I don't know who this is, Pokemon that is, but I'm sure that's a hollow card. Okay. Base cards at the side. Cards. We could pull some Pikachu. Some Pika. All base cards. Ooh, hopefully some Pikachus. Not a Pikachu, but it is. Not bad of a boo. Put it there. Showcase. Come on now. Let's get that Pikachu. Another one. Okay, this is totally different. It's one of the change cards. Searching. Suspension. Definitely waiting to score some of those Pikachu EX. Ace Spec Special Arts, Execute Phoebus, EX, Scovillain. Yes, this is a Scovillain EX. Yep. Hopefully we could score some Pikachu EX today. All base cards. We're gonna be able to pull some special arts. Definitely, I want Cyriluge. Sorry. And these, well, Execute. I think this is one of the Ace Spec. Yep, definitely one of the Ace Spec. Here. Pink one. And we have a lot of pulls. See? Oh, we got one. Let me check. Special art. Oh, it's not present in Surging Sparks. But I have a lot of copies on this one. Guys. So if you subscribe, you can score some of my duplicates. All base cards. All base cards again. What the heck? Let's see. Oh, another special art. Phoebus, definitely present. Random cards, yeah. Qui-Gon, Executor, Silicar, Pikachu EX, I believe. Of course, Pikachu's here. And another castle something. Never mind. It's an EX. Let's see it here. No. It's not here. Palo-san. Yeah. It's the Palo-san. That's a lot. base card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base cards. SR and rare. And another special art. Definitely one of the jumps. Yeah, Fanfi. It's Fanfi. Just a little art. Art rare. Ooh, we got another EPAX. Hopefully, it's Pikachu. 1, 2, 3, and electrifying Pikachu. Nope, it's not one of the Pikachus. Dragon. Not bad. We already have 3 EXS. Yep. Surf. This is not a bad box after all. We also got the Power Stone. SR is special SR. Special illustration there. I think so. Special illustration rare. Let's go. I think it's all face cards. I think that's 2-star. Special illustration rare and base cards. We got the base cards here. More base. Okay. Another base card. Base cards. We got an EX or a holo card. Bang! What a nice special art. Definitely a special art. Special art. Yup, let's see. Definitely not in Surging Sparks, because it's not present here in their list. Arclodon, Calotra. Yep, it's not in their list. So you're staying there. I am putting you here. Illuminous Patro Serpele. Let me hit that Pikachu, please. This is it. Another SA. Holo card. Double rare. What will be? Let's see here. Just a second. What is that? Hollow sand. Yeah, it's still a double rare. It's SR. So. Base cards. We got the base cards. Okay, we got a holo card. Oops. What's happening here? Stream. Okay, we're back. Got a holo card here. And it's up. Okay. A holo card. Don't really know the name. Hello. Let's go. Base cards. We got a holo card. Holo card. And the final pack would be a base card. Yeah. 2 amazing double rares, 1 special rare, and 3 EX cards. Definitely special rare. The other one is special rare, and 2 double rares. Okay. I gotta know the name. I gotta know the name here. Not yes. The monkey's not here. Monkey's not here, guys. Okay, let's go. Ace pack, right? This is an ace pack. Yeah, ace pack. And the EX. 2 EX and a special rare, 1 special rare. Okay, and a special art, holo, special art, holo, 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 and 2 double rares. Good about this one is I have Apollo signed, 2 Apollo signed already. Okay, I also got this one. Definitely saw one here. It's a Tatsugiri. It's a 2-star. 2-star double rare. Double rare, and this type SSB special. English special. Don't show the rarity on the feature cards, only on this one. Let's see, 2 stars. Oh, here, let's see it again. 2 white stars. What do you call 2 white stars? Special illustration rare. Yeah, a special illustration there. Loose hand. Next course of action. Of course. Got the save it.